Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel TechDo. Today's the topic is the Gemini prompt context and example of the prompt and contextual prompts. Now I'll tell this and show you step by step. This is the power prompt. The power prompt serves the classic Gemini response is specify instruction, questions, and guide. The modern through process determine natural output. It is effective prompt essential for the maximum Gemini potential by crafting clear, concise, informative prompt. Users can street for modules towards describe outcomes, better the generating creative content, provide information, summarize or solving complex. The role context. The role contextual information plays priority role of when the Gemini is response which provide model with the additional details, background knowledge, specific constraint help to understand prompt more compensative by incorporate relevant to context and the users refine out making more. The key consider effective prompt content, specify relevance, clarity, competency, experimentation, and prompt. Who was the first person to walk on the moon is the general prompt. The contextual prompt is who was the first person to walk on the moon. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Who was the first person to walk on the moon is the context form. The different is the only two. The prompt, what is the capital Australia? The contents, what is the capital of Australia and what is its population? The creative prompt. Creative prompt uses the poem, story, script, providing prompt contextual information about desired style, theme, characteristics. Content creation. The produce the informative articles, blogs, and marketing copy, providing prompts relevant to data, appropriate translation. Code generator. Assistant developers by generating code in snippet and entire program based prompts and specify requirement. Custom service. Provide automated customer support, answering questions and resolving through well-crafted prompt. This you can sign this Gemini. The Gemini is showing you different writing skills and text to skills and speaking to skills, a voice assistant also. The Gemini developer, Gemini business, Gemini advanced are the three versions are there. This book author here and now I will sign in this Gemini, my Google account. After opening this Gemini account is the one pop-up window open. This you can observe this. It is the top of this. You click here, The YouTube intro creation Gemini, some old ones also is there. Can you traders ask this Gemini to the you ask any question in Gemini to the answer the response is given to this Gemini is so many prompts are there. You click new chat with Gemini. I asked this question how to make chicken biryani. The Gemini giving this information how to make chicken biryani, marinate and cook, procedure how to cook this chicken biryani. They are given the so many tips. It is the total processing is given, the it measurements. You observe this, it measurements the this all our measurements are given. After that I will ask another question. This the bacon sandwich also is given. Some questions are given. This observe this preparation assembling sandwich, how to make sandwich also given. This now I will ask another question of this Google Gemini topic. Show me list of places in to visit Hyderabad in Hyderabad. It is given the places in Salarjung Museum and Golconda Port, Chomeli Mahal and Birla Mandir Charminar. It is given. The Google Map also producing this one. After this, Gemini Manager is coming, chess champer, brainstorming, career guide, coding partner. It is some features are is upgrading this. We can create a Gemini with advanced. Then I upload this image and type is given information. These images description man and robot is the these features are coming. Now I will show you another topic. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Today topic. Today is I will tell you Gemini interactive features. The key features of this Google Gemini is the multimodal input handling. Gemini can process text, image, and audio tandem, making velocity across the different field. Advanced natural language process. Gemini offering enhanced language understanding allow the performance tasks like a summarize, translation, and cover translation interaction with human like accuracy, real-time data processing can analyzing is the real-time to data applications such as customer support, virtual assistant, and data driving analyzing. Class format integrate Google Gemini is built-in integrated with existing Google products like a Google Search, Google Cloud, Google Android platform. The personalized the model can adapt based to use the performance and continuously data providing highly personalized output. Cloud-based Google Cloud offer the best integrate allows the Gemini run seamless in the cloud with auto scanning capability. The setup reduce need to be on permission hardware is UP for run Gemini on your own servers and ensure have powerful machines capable handling data set and complex complications and particular real time and analyzing multitasking scores lost online courses to learn new skills to workplace. Particular application Google Gemini is the flexible allows the use wide range of real world application has some of examples for business automation, healthcare, research and academic and e-commerce. The business automation organized can integrate Gemini into the customer service workflow to powerful intelligent chatbot that handling both text and visual input, reducing human workload and improving response time to healthcare. In the healthcare sector, Gemini can analyze medical images such as X-rays or MRIs along with patient history suggested potential diagnosis. It multi-module natural allows provide comprehensive analyzing on single input model research and academic research can also Google Gemini process vast amount of research papers, extract key information and even generate summarize this accurate the research processing helps academics stay up to date with latest development. E-commerce platform can use Gemini to offer improving product recommendation by analyzing customer behavior image and perfect customers could even upload image product. Gemini would recommend it similar to complementary items. Best practice use Google Gemini. Optimize input data. The quality of your input data direct effect output generating by Gemini ensure the text data clean and image are high quality and multimodal input well organized. Monitoring elimination model performance. Regular elimination your models performance using metric like accuracy percents. Recall this especially important customer model trained specified data, leverage Google Cloud ecosystem, take advantage Google's comprehensive cloud ecosystem, scale your Gemini based application. It's through the integrated data storage, AP management, machine learning models counseling. The conclusion get started Google Gemini is open numerous possibilities. This Google Gemini is a groundbreaking AI model offering the potential various industries. Multimodal capability conceals summary of pilot. This is the key features multimodal input handling process, text, image, and audio together, advanced neutral language processing, excel in summarization, translation, neutral conversion, real-time data processing, ideal for application require instant knowledge, cross-platform integrated, workers seamless with Google Search, Google Cloud, and Android personalized, adapt use requirements to output. Good on primary accessibility scale solution, Google could powerful local and particular application. The business determination, the power of the intelligent chatbot is streamlined workflow, healthcare combining image analyzing with patient history of diagnostic assistant, research accelerate research with advanced summarize and insight, e-commerce announce produce recommendation through beware of visual data analyzing. The best practice optimize input quality, clean, well structured data, ensure better result, regular performance, and utilize cloud and leverage of the ecosystem storage app and scalable. This concludes Google Gemini redefine AI capability with its multimodal processing integrated potential. It is best practice optimize input quality, clean, well structured, ensure better results, regular performance monitoring, use metric like accuracy and recall, fine tuning outputs, and utilize and cloud leverage ecosystems. Because Gemini can integrate external data through several methods. The first direct input. User can provide specified data point information direct Gemini, which can then incorporate into the respect. So this method particularly useful for providing context or constant that are not ready available from Gemini internal knowledge base. API connections. Gemini can connecting the external APIs is the access to the process through the data from various sources. This enables to retrieve real-time information such as a new article, stock price, or weather forecast. Data in ingestion. Gemini can ingest large data allowing it is learned to from incorporate information from variety of sources. This can particularly useful for tasks such as a questions knowledge graph integrated. Gemini can be integrated with Google's knowledge and graph vast response and structure information about entire the relationship that enable it is access to process inform the wide range of source including Wikipedia, government websites and another academic database. One. The benefit of integrated external data in Gemini. The integrated external data offers several benefits of Gemini. Enhanced accuracy, access external information can help Gemini providing more accurate, informative response, real-time information by connecting to the external APIs. Gemini can access to date information, ensure that relevant to timely domain-specific expert interrogate data. Specialized source can equip Gemini with domain spaces. The customizations of this providing special data point, it Gemini can be customized this meet of the need individual users organization. The challenging limitations of deposit benefit integrated external data. Also some challenges to limit of the consider the data quality is the external data can verify Gemini may struggle to process or interrupt low quality information. The piracy corner also access to this piracy corner external data as piracy corner particularly when you deal with sensitive information. Computationally resource integrated large data set can be complementary expensive requires significant process provide and memory. By fairness of this data use train Gemini can be based which can be influence its response and particular exciting quality. The future of this Gemini data continues to evolve as the experts see even more sophisticated methods integrated of the external data. Features developed may be including automated data integrated Gemini could be able to automatically identify this integrated relevant to data from variety of sources. This data quality assessment Gemini could develop by ability access qualities. The external qualities and the filter out unreliable information. This piracy preserve techniques. The Gemini could employ piracy preserving techniques to protect sensitive data while still allowing effective integration. The final conclusion of this video is the integrated external data essential for unlocking full potential Google Gemini by combination. It is the internal knowledge based with the information from external source. Gemini can provide more accurate and informative and relevant to response. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more imitation approach to data integrated and impact the capability of language models like this is you asking specific questions in specific mode and specific way that is given specific answer otherwise is given error. You observe this how getting error is coming. You ask specific question specific procedure to clear and specify. Please tell me astrology in 2025 in Mithuna Rasi. You give this is the specific question, it is the given specific answer is clear. You observe this. This is the way to ask in any AI in your Copilot and ChatGPT and Gemini. So many AI tools also coming this feature. This is the correct procedure. You ask correct question, correct way. This is given correct answer. You observe this career, finance, relationship, health. This is the main important any person. This is the example of how to ask the AI questions in Gemini and clear cut and specify and clarity. Thanking you once again, your take turn. Hi, welcome to my channel everyone. Back Today we are dividing the fascinating world Google Gemini. Whatever you are tech enthusiastic or just someone likes to make some most you AI assistant to video and show you how to master art questions and get best response. Let us go start. Why question is most important Gemini, but it is the most important master art of question which is interact with AI like a Gemini. While asking the right questions can help you get more accurate useful information, can also make your interactive more effective and enjoyable. It is useful to all AI, the Copilot, Gemini and ChatGPT also. It is most important in AI to ask clear and clarity question. The how to ask effective questions. Now I will tell you. First tip, the be clear, specify, vague questions can lead to vague answers. Instead of asking what is the weather, this is try to this different question. It is most clear. What is the weather like in Kapra, Telangana today? Any place you can ask the clearly this type of question. The use following questions if you did not get answer or locking did not be applied ask. Follow questions example asked or want to the ask will try. Now I will ask the Gemini questions. Now you observe this how to ask specific questions. I give 5 example questions or now show you step by step. It is given information you can this. Otherwise the mic enable. Does water boiling at 100 degrees Celsius? You answer yes or no. I submit the specify give specify command is given specify answer. Then today. The second tip is leverage context. Provide context can help Gemini understand your question better. For the instant of your planning trip, you could ask what are the top tourist attract in Capra. This is the clear question. The fourth third question is to be patient, polite, and remember is AI is a consult learning. If you don't get answer you want right away, the patient and try repair raising your question. Common mistakes avoid. Now let us about some common mistakes avoid. One big mistake ask the overall complex questions. Breakdown queries simple need to mistakes not provide enough to the which can leads confused to AI. Interactive demo. Alright, now we have convert basics actions demonstrate basic fee questions so you have them better response. Specify. The more specific questions, more precise answers. Avoid vague, ambiguous questions. Direction is get the point. Avoid unnecessary problems that might confuse the model. Simplicity. Keep your language straightforward and easy to understand. Avoid jargon over complex sentence structure. Provide relevant to content. Background information is if applicable. Provide any necessary context background knowledge that may be relevant to your query. Specified details. The more specified details can be provided, better Gemini can understand your request and try to respond according. Constant. If there are any limitation, constant consider clear accurate them. The open-end questions, exploring. The open-end questions is encouraging Gemini provide more comprehensive and creative response. Depth. They can lead to deep discussion inside the might not be possible close end of the question. Flexibility. Ended questions allow wide range of potential answers, given more options to explore. The unused close window questions, direct answers. Close the end questions typically require yes or no or specify answer. For example, did human land is on the moon? This is the question. Fact checking. The useful every information get quick consider responding. Example, does water boiling at 100 degrees Celsius? The clarification closed in the questions used to clarification previous response as following questions. Refinement follow-up questions allow develop deeper topic, explore different process. Clarification they can be used to clarification previous responses. Test different approach. Try to different questions format level specify and continuously information see works best for you need. Let us pause. Be prepared and refine your questions based response you will receive. This iterative process can help you get closer desired outcome. Open end, can you tell me about the history of artificial intelligence? Close in question. It is possible to AI achieve a sequence controversial questions. What are the potential benefit risk changes based on the current scientific understanding? This is the questions. This is conclusion of this videos, and there you have to flock by master art of the questions. You can make most out of your interact with Google Gemini. Remember, be clear, specify, patient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like and share, subscribe. Until next time, keep your questions and stay serious. Google prompt and Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. Now is this after opening this login your account is Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. It is starting with some left hand side is the Google Get API key, creating prompt and stream real time and star apps and tune modules library allowed discount. The prompt gallery, so many topics are there. It is the identify speaker, which bigger video and back to some recipe list and math tour and mathematics works. It is scavenger, unit test and solo geometry trip idea, code optimize, tested search and recipe Jenny. What is this marketing AI? And list from image and character decoding, block writing, copyboard and confusing matrix, sentiment check, and researchability and shape sequence, plant care and dog setup and Sanat's mailbox and find brand, recipe finder, game characters, tone changer, regex wizard, next clips and weather. There's so many prompts are there. Now I will use some prompts how to use. The create prompt is open this one. Is after opening this type it is coming this. You can take simple example prompt. I'll test this one. This is the simple prompt. Certainly the image sent appear complete back screen on there on describing objective features. This coming. Okay, I understand the image you are providing entire black, even the crop on this, nothing visible in this image. The prompt is, you ask another question. The gallery prompt is taken, identify speaker, picker and select this prompt. Weather prompt, you select this weather prompt. Coming this way, this is the place of you reach student. This is the prompt. can select which gallery you want to prompt. This mathematics worksheet, several recipe list, and which is the bigger, identify speaker, video questions, and code optimized trip ideas, allowing list searching, marketing, list of images, copyboard, confuse matters, blog writings, sentiment research, body shape and sentiment, planet care, find brand, recipe finder, game character, next tone changer, mathematics, CT scanner, unit test. This what is this? Describe the objective and what is use it. Now I will select the another prompt also. I will show you this one. Okay, now I'll add the example. This some examples I have. Then run. Create prompts. Tell me joke. Run. Tell me joke.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
This is the joke. Now another prompt I will paste. Observe this prompt.
I do not have access to the current weather information. Is there anything else I can help you with?
This is the another prompt. The another prompt is this: translating good morning to Spanish language. Translate Spanish language. Good morning to Spanish language.
Good morning in Spanish is buenos dias. It's a common greeting used in the morning.
Another prompt I will example. I am in trip to Tokyo next week. Can you suggest most visiting places? You observe this. What about this? You observe this.
Tokyo has many interesting places to visit. Some must-see spots include the Sensoji Temple, the Tsukiji Outer Market, and the Shibuya Crossing. Would you like more suggestions?
This is the you want to prompt gallery, you can go to this another specially prompt is there to touring purpose, trip idea, to open this trip idea and type this one and run this. It's given trip idea to the any scene, afternoon 3 hours time and explore Central Park. It is given trip idea also. You can the first way controversial contextual prompt is I will A customer report that order is not arrived at, how should be response? This is the one of the contextual prompt. What response is given Gemini? You observe this.
I understand you need to respond to a customer whose order hasn't arrived. You should start by apologizing for the inconvenience and then ask for the order details, such as the order number, the date it was placed, and the delivery address. After that, you can check the order status and provide an estimated delivery date, if available, or offer a solution, like reshipping the order or offering a refund if the delivery is not possible.
This is the contextual prompt. Question answer. The customer asking refund to the what step is processing. The another contextual prompt is
Okay, here are the general steps to process a refund. First, you need to verify the customer's purchase and eligibility for a refund based on your company's policy. Then, you'll need to process the refund through your payment system, making sure to document the refund with the order number and reason. Finally, confirm to the customer that the refund has been processed and how long it may take for them to receive it.
this is another, I will tell you another contextual prompt. Right, engaging of the YouTube video about AI technology. This is the
Okay, here is an engaging introduction for a YouTube video about AI technology. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Get ready to explore how AI is rapidly changing our lives, from the smartphones in our hands to the future of industries.
This is the contextual format, contextual prompt, the contextual prompt and general test prompt and prompt. This is the prompt is there. That's why you're asking so many prompts. The you want to create a prompt also there. The creating some specify keywords or using contextual prompt, creative prompt. The creative prompt is the generating unique ideas to come to the. This is the creative prompt. Write a poem about a cat who goes to the moon. This is the creative prompt. We observe this. What answer is given the Gemini?
Okay, here is a poem about a cat who goes to the moon. A feeling of night, with fur like the coal, dreamed of a journey beyond the known hole. Not the mouse-filled walls, nor the sunbeam's warm grace, but the silvery orb in the sky's vast space. A rocket of cardboard, a whale and a purr, lifted the kitty, a celestial blur. Past clouds like cotton, with stars all alight. He soared to the moon on a magical night. He planted small paws on the lunar dust, a flag of yarn, a whimsical gust. He chased moonbeams, with eyes shining bright. A cosmic explorer, a magical sight. Then back to his home, the day's gentle call. A cat with a secret, known to none at all. He curls on his cushion, a lunar-touched friend, dreaming of moonwalks, until the night's end.
Is given these types of prompt successfully can use step by step is utilizing how much use the so many features are there. You learn step by step. Please follow TechDude YouTube channel 48 sorry please follow the TechDude YouTube channel in the 8481. It is so many Google AI videos are coming as possible as soon. Please subscribe, please stay tuned. Now I ask the question is this one question. Can you explain the benefit of cloud computing small business? We can add this one. Actually, this much is given the I asked that particular question. Can you explain the benefit of cloud computing to small business? I will only title I will read. There's much more data is there. The video is so long, that's why I reduced that purpose. I only cost saving and increased flexibility and scalability, enhanced security and improving calibration of product and focus on core business and example of cloud servicing small business can use the cost efficiency, flexibility, and enhanced security, the focus on core business. This is all are given this Gemini immediately that question answer. I ask another question clearly. Generating stream real time. This was the mic on. The generating a digital market strategy for a startup offering eco-friendly product to millennium audience.
Okay, I can help with that. First, you'll need to identify your target audience, which is millennial. Then, research their online habits and preferences. Next, you should create engaging content that highlights the eco-friendliness of your products and promote it through social media, search engine optimization, and influencer marketing. Finally, track and measure the results of your strategy and make adjustments. Does that sound like a good
Generating a
starting point?
digital market strategy for a startup offering eco-friendly product to millennium audience.
I can help with that. Okay. You'd like to know the meaning to identify your target audience, which appears to be a name or a reference
research
to a
their
specific
online
answer
habits
given by
and
someone called
preferences.
Jeevan. Next,
any
you
other
should create
information you can
engaging
give me,
content that
like
highlights
context
the
that could help me
eco-friendliness of your
understand its
products
meaning.
and promote it through social media, search engine optimization, and influencer marketing. Finally, track and measure the results of your strategy and make adjustments. Does that sound like a good starting point? Okay, I can help with that. First, you'll need to identify your target audience, which is millennial. Then, research their online habits and preferences. Next, you should create engaging content that highlights the eco-friendliness of your products and promote it through social media, search engine optimization, and influencer marketing. Finally, track and measure the results of your strategy and make adjustments. Does that sound like a good starting point? Okay, you'd like to know the meaning of Jeevan answer. It appears to be a name or a reference to a specific answer given by someone called Jeevan.
A formula business proposal for partnership with a financial service company is given. What type of answer is given? You observe this. The this your name. You observe this prompt, how is the clear cut is given to this. The company letter add and take a date and partner of the company, partner of company address, subject formula, proposal, strategy, partnership between your company name and partner company name also. The execute summary is given. After that, introduction of your company, overview is given, key strength of this given, and introduction partner company name overview given, key strength also given, partnership opportunity given, proposed partnership activity scope also given, this financial projections and revenue sharing also given, and management and governors also given, the total conclusion call action also given. After that is thank you your time and consideration sincerely, your name, your title, your company name, your contact information. This is the prompt as the this prompt is different. You ask this prompt question, I will show you. Draft a formal business proposal partnership with financial service company. Company is given this type of. This is a formal business proposal letter draft type prompt is given. This is the one type of creative prompt. I will give another prompt question also ask. You observe this. The constraint and guidelines. I asked to the another question, this Google Gemini. The provide 5 key recommendations of improving website is SEO with example and source. I asked this question, provide 5 key recommendations for improving website SEO with examples of source. It is given this instruction. It is the conducting comprehensive keywords research optimize and create high quality user focused content and optimize website structure and technical SEO, build high quality backlinks and optimize local SEO if applicable, and Google Central and improving ranking Google. This much are given. This optimizes local SEO also. I ask another question, another type of question. Provide context for complex query questions. I ask now. I type complex query question. Write a Python script that user pandas to clean and analyzing data set containing customer purchase output the total sales by this month. You observe this? First is providing is the Python data. After that is given to the panda is how to use, explain and important pandas and calculate a total price, group of month, calculate a total sales, return result and example usage and row handling and column of names and data formatting, customization, data visualization. You observe this is the so many types you can use and day by day in the developing in the Gemini AI. You can you improve day by day in the something to learn new things in Gemini. You ask the Gemini 20 Flash also experimental usage of the free novel. This much. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today topic is the Gemini why write effective prompts matter and component of effective prompts. This is the matter. The quality of prompt directly impact quality of AI response. Purely written prompts can be leading an incomplete or inaccurate result. The several reasons underscore the impact of writing effective prompts. Precision and accuracy of the well-formulated prompt help you ensure that Gemini provide accurate information generating content that align close your expectations. Efficiency. By writing clear and precise prompts, users can reduce the amount of time spent finding response corrections, errors, asking follow-up questions. Creativity and insight. These good prompts can unlock the full creative potential Gemini where you are generating content, brainstorming ideas, or solving complex problems. Contextual relevancy. Efficiency. Effective prompts provide context guiding Gemini to understand tasks and respond appropriately. Component of effective prompt. Before diving into first strategy, write an effective prompts. The clarity. The clarity is the cornerstone of any effective prompt. Clear prompt leaves little room of and it should ensure that AI models understand exactly what you are asking to achieve clarity. The use specify language, abide by go times, overall compressed testing. The example of this question, tell me about cloud computing. You can ask can you explain the benefit of cloud computer small business? This is the clarity of question. The second version of providing clarity about the specified information, you look for the context. This context is help Google Gemini understanding background circumstances and surrounding prompts. This example is you ask this question, generating a marketing strategy. You ask this way to the same question, generate the digital marketing strategy for the startup offering eco-friendly products to a millennial audience. The first step beginning about the talks questions key generating effectively. The ask another question specifically help me write a report. This is the confused question. You ask this way, help me write 1,000 words report on the impact of social media advertising consumer behavior with emphasis the real industry. This is the right way to ask clarity of the question. The tone and style. The example, you want to write 500 words blog posts and remote work productivity make informative friendly draft formal business proposal partnership with financial service. This is the question. You can first prompt indicate casually friendly tone, the second suggestion more formally professional style. The constant guidelines is the example generates 700 words article renewable energy focusing only on solar window energy source. This is the one question. The provide 5 key recommendations improving website SEO with example sources. This is the another question. Strategy of writing effective prompts. Start with clear instructions. Ask what happened with global warming. You can ask this way. Explain the primary cases of global warming in 300 words. Focus on human activities. This way you ask clear questions. The example generates story about adventure. You ask this way, act twist where main character discover hide treasure but the crushed. This is if you ask words in pity. The providing complex queries, break large tasks small parts, write a Python code for data analyzing. You can ask this way, write a Python script use pandas to clean and analyzing data content customers purchase output total sales by month. This is all or as the clear cut questions are this. You can ask the coding development, you ask write a JavaScript questions are